Where are we?
Oh, we're at the Australian Helicopter School, and for his birthday I brought him like an intro pilot helicopter training course thing. The most prime conditions. It's so nice. We'll insert a clip here of me telling Connor. Do you want to guess?
Something to do with cars?
No. Gonna go learn to fly a helicopter.
What?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Secret.
Learn to fly a helicopter?
Yeah.
How? Where?
In Redcliffe. It's up north. And we now have to go in and Connor's got to get ready. Hooked?
It's, I don't know how to explain.
You're welcome.
What up? It's the next day. We didn't film very good yesterday afternoon.
No.
We ended up kind of scrambling to find somewhere to stay, but we ended up sleeping in the Troopy up at Majimba. Now we're just going for a walk. Gonna go find more surf, hopefully get some of the longboard waves today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Another beautiful day.
Yeah, perfect day again. So chill. So what's that over there?
Lighthouse.
No, but what's the point called?
I don't know.
Point Cartwright?
Oh.
Or Arkwright?
I don't know.
I think it's Cartwright. So what we're gonna do
Yeah.
is our first spinning transition, and we're gonna spin to that.
Okay. Am I gonna spin?
No, yeah, you can spin if you want.
Oh. I don't know what you mean.
Right.
Hit it. Spin it.
Do I just spin my whole body, or do I just go like? Hopefully that worked.
I don't think it would.
We made it. Point Cartwright. Surf.
Sand. Water. I'm gonna go outside this year.
Yeah.
strawberry farm on our way home, or back to the Gold Coast. Oh, I did a little bit of surfing. Didn't film too much though. And now we're gonna do a little bit of picking and head to Eat Street on the way home, grab some dinner and just drive home. Take a look.
What'd you do?
I was too invested in the strawberries. I stepped in a fucking puddle of mud. Oh, I just bleep that out.
Language.
Bleep that one out.